Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and I'm so excited to show you this project that I made. I will be doing a complete walkthrough of this album with you. So welcome, welcome. All right, it is a 6x8 binder album from Simple Stories, and I did use a digital collection from Pink Monarch Prints, and it is a vintage travel. It was from the November 2003 subscription club. I am not affiliated anyway with those guys, but I seen the paper and I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta do something with this paper. So it is from Pink Monarch Prints, and it is called Vintage Travel, and it is a digital kit. I did print all the main papers off on my 28-pound copy paper, and then fussy cut it all out. So yeah, I just love it. So I just have the cover on here. It's just a makeshift cover because I can't find my red binder. I have a red binder and I can't find it. So I just kind of have this lightly tacked down just to show you what the cover will look like. All right. So it flips open, and I just have this one lightly tacked down as well. Okay, because when I got to find my red binder to put it in, it's a life of a crafter. We clean our craft room, and then we can't find nothing. Yep, that's me. So right here, you have a pocket and some journaling cards, and some of these I did back with the brown craft paper. Okay, to make them more sturdier. And I did use brown craft paper. It is the brown wrapping paper that you can purchase at Walmart or Amazon. It is the 40-pound paper, and I love it. And then the black is 65-pound from Michaels. Okay, and I just kind of collaged this up. Very cute. It has, how many pages does this have in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 3 kind of like half pages. I'll show you that here in a minute. But beautiful collection to work with. And this album is it's got well-defined areas for photographs. And then it's so if you don't like the sewing of a junk journal, you can put it in a 6x8 binder, and it works just as well. Okay, because I know a lot of you don't like the sewing aspect of making junk journals. So here, I just choose the pieces from the collection and just glued it on 3 sides, and then collaged it up. As again, some of them are done in the craft paper backed, and some are not. There we go. But well-defined areas for photographs and journaling. And I love how this album turned out. Here I just used brown gift wrap, and then I used 28-pound copy paper just to keep the bulk down in the album, and some tags for the collection. Another one, and just collaged. Okay, so here we have a belly band, and then this flips open. Very cute. And I just used brown wrapping paper. And I am going to have classes. I think there's 7 classes where I show you how to make this from start to finish as well. So those will be coming up. Okay. So then this flips. And here, what I've done, these are supposed to be pockets, but I put acetate on the inside, and then just use my twine and reinforced hole punch. And they're from Avery. and I distress them with my distress ink and made a pocket out of them like that. So then you can see what's underneath here. And these were like little journal pages that she had, and I just cut them in half and used them for tags. Very cute. Very cute. So here you have a little text spot. You have 2 of the file folders from the collection, and I just glued 3 sides and collaged it up. And I show you how to put it inside the binder as well. I think that's the very first class. And again, here is the journal things that, you know, you open. It's supposed to be like a little journal book, and I just cut it to where it had a half an inch so I could use it as a flip. And then one of the pockets. And then here is some of the like half pages where we just have these holding, and then I just glued 3 sides to create a pocket here. Oops, that keeps it all nice and closed, and then that pulls out. And I did use washi tape to reinforce the fold area. Okay. And then this flips. And just some photo mats and collaged it up. Then here is a little pull out. And this keeps this all nice and tidy. So that pulls out and you have a pocket here. It was so fun decorating this. And then I got my pages kind of stuck together. Me and glue sometimes don't get along. But oh, this album turned out so cute. So then I done 2 envelopes with the brown wrapping paper. And then I just done a little booklet. It just fits. And then I matted the inside of the pocket. And then we have another pocket up here with a couple of photo mats. But yeah, I will be teaching you from start to finish how to make this. And then here's some pieces from the collection. I mean, it's a huge collection. I mean, you get a lot of pieces. A lot of fussy cutting. And I'm not a big fussy cutter at all. But I seen this paper and I just had to make something with it. So then you have a little pocket. Then this flips open. And this flips open. So see, well-defined areas for photographs. And lots of room for journaling about our photographs. Or a trip we took. Then again, here's where it just has these. And then we collaged this up to create this. Very cute. Then here, we just have a pocket with a brown paper. And then you have some photo mats. Some of them I did put lines on them so you could write straight. Then this opens up and you have a couple of photo mats inside here. I just collaged that up. And then I used this to keep the envelope all nice and tidy. And then it just goes inside this pocket here. And then you can put a photograph up here. Yeah, you'll have to let me know down below. I'd like to maybe do a few more of something like this and use a different digital collection. So if you know of anybody that you would like for me to look at and you know, get the digital collection and then create something, just let me know down in the comments if you know, have a paper collection that you'd like to see me do. So here is just a diamond shape with a belly band that I created with a brown wrapping paper. And that just slides underneath. I know there's so many digital collections out there. I seen one the other day, I think a Junk Journal Studio. It's a big botanical collection. OMG. Beautiful, beautiful. So then here is a photo mat, and I just glued 3 sides. And then a tuck spot. Then this flips open. And again, I used my washi tape to help reinforce that. And then you have a pocket here first. And again, this is some of those journal pages I just cut in half and used them as photo mats. You can put a photo on the back, or you can put a photo on the front and journal on the back. Fun way for a collection. And then these again flip out, and then you have a pocket here, and then a place for a photograph, place for a photograph. And here again is one of those 3/4 pages, and just collaged it up. Then this one has a pocket, and it has a flip out. Okay. So then over here we have stacked pockets, and it's 3 of the file folders that was in there. So I just glued 3 sides and created stacked pockets. And then you have a pocket here. Okay. This thing will hold quite a few photographs. Do a lot of journaling. So then here again, some of the file folders from the collection. Oops, I think these are supposed to go up here. They're shorter. So lots of room for journaling. And then this flips open, and then you have a double pocket here. Ain't that cute? Lots of room for journaling. And then again, your designated areas for your photographs. Then here, you have this. Then this flips open. This flips open. Now I should put some black mats on those. I wasn't even thinking about that. And then this flips open. Yeah, I should have put some black mats. Wasn't even thinking about that. Then this holds everything nice and tidy. And then here is the very back. So you have a flip out, a flip, and a flip. So very cute. And then you have a pocket here. This is one of her 4-sided envelope folds, and I folded it 3 times and then glued it, so that way we have a nice deep pocket. So very cute. So I hope you want to learn how to make this. The videos are coming up. Like I said, I think there's 7, might be 8. I can't quite remember. But I am going to be teaching you from start to finish how to make this, how to decorate it, and everything. All right. So I hope you will join me for that. Like I said, that is coming up. Yeah. So thanks for hanging out with me. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you'll want to learn how to make this, and we'll see you in the next class. All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.